still struggling with low deployment efficiency, difficult O&M, and complex management in small and mid-size campus networks? No worries. Huawei WebMaster is here to help. WebMaster is a localized network management solution designed for small and mid-size campuses. Independent from servers and software, WebMaster provides comprehensive visibility, management, and control of the entire network, allowing unified O&M. First, let's see how WebMaster simplifies the configuration of entire network deployments. Conventional deployments require manual configuration on each device. This is not only labor-intensive, but also error-prone. WebMaster offers automatic device discovery, master device election, device authentication, and management for fast device deployment and rollout. In fact, the entire network can be set up in just a few minutes. It's extremely efficient. Next, let's explore remote O&M. With WebMaster, urgent issues no longer require site visits. WebMaster can remotely check a device's status, receive alarm notifications, analyze logs, and recommend solutions automatically. This saves O&M teams from endless problem diagnosis. Lastly, WebMaster makes device replacement easier than ever. Replacing faulty devices used to mean long nights of cutover and commissioning. Now, it's just a click away on WebMaster. Just connect a new device that's the same model, and WebMaster handles the rest in one click. Maintenance time is reduced from hours to minutes. It's faster than changing a tire, and we'll have you back on the road in no time. WebMaster delivers 3 key values: faster deployment, lower costs, and higher efficiency. Automatic device discovery, authentication, and management allow network deployment in minutes. Server-free deployment greatly reduces project investment. Configuration-free device replacement doubles O&M efficiency. Choose WebMaster to simplify network O&M for your small or mid-size campus. Join us as we build an intelligent future.